Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through Singapore IKEA, which is in Tampines. So we will take you on a virtual tour of the latest store and we'll show you some of their exciting products. Let's get ready. The IKEA store is a store located in the heart of Singapore and features a wide range of products to suit every taste and budget. So from here, from Tanah Merah MRT, I am going to take MRT to Tampines. So now I have reached to Tampines MRT station and taking the exit. From here I am going to take free shuttle bus service which is provided by IKEA, by Courts and the Giant. So let's wait in the queue where all the people are standing. You can see here. So these are the buses. So bus is also here. We are waiting in the queue. We waited for around 10 minutes. There are buses in every half an hour. So we are boarding the bus. Let's see if we can find out the place to. This is Giant Supermarket, which is open 24 hours, and you can get each and everything under this roof. So now we have reached IKEA. Let's have a closer look at some of their popular products that they have. These are some of the home places that they have decorated, and these are the samples that you can use for your home if you are new to Singapore and if you have a house in Singapore, you want to decorate it. So you can take some of the sample pictures from here and they will help you with all the products that you need, from table, chair, your office setup, your kitchen, home decor, and everything is there. This is the living room section. You'll find everything you need to create the perfect relaxation space, from comfortable sofas to stylish coffee tables. We have it all over there. Their kitchen section is a must-see for any home chef. They have a wide range of appliances, cookware, kitchenware, where you can prepare your favorite meals. The children's section is perfect for parents who are looking to create a fun and functional space for their kids. From colorful furniture to educational toys, they have everything you need to keep your little ones entertained. So now I also want to do some shopping. I'll take this trolley with me, we'll shop something. I'll show you at the end what I have bought. They have wide and cheap range of beautiful water glasses, juice glasses, wines, everything is there. You can choose any of the designs. They are really very beautiful. They have bowls which are very cheap. You can prepare your kitchen in just $50. I mean, the glasses, cups, bowls. You can get bowls, plates, everything at $1. And don't forget to check out their lighting section, where you will find everything from stylish floor lamps to innovative smart lighting solutions. Here you can create your dream bedroom with their wide range of comfortable mattresses, stylish bed frames, cozy beddings. They have everything you need for a good night's sleep. They have good cushions, pillows. So these are the beautiful pillows you can see over here. This is the queue. We are waiting for our billing, and we were waiting for half an hour in the queue. It was very big queue. So now we are going back to our home. We are tired. We have done a lot of shopping. Now let's see where we are planning to go. So again we will take a free shuttle bus. From there I'm going to take a local bus, and from there we are in the bus enjoying the beauty of night. So finally taking exit from the bus stop, and we have almost reached home. My home is very near to the bus and MRT station. So I hope you like the video. We have reached home. We'll take the rest. You guys take care. Have fun. See you.